What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino watch reviews. Here we have a Seiko Samurai. Now this is going to be the Pepsi variant. I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing here and then we'll have a full review later. And there's this, just right off the top. There you go. Got a really good deal on this one, and I did have a Seiko SRPB53, the black ion plated one. I sold it when I was buying my Speedmaster. I sold a bunch of watches, but I really wanted another Seiko Samurai because I loved it. It made a great everyday watch. I just love that waffle dial and that knurling that you could see there on the edge of the bezel and of course on the crown as well. Really wanted another one, and I thought maybe I'll change it up and go with this Pepsi variant because I always liked it when I had the black one as well. I liked the black and the Pepsi. So there it is right there. And let's get a quick little dial spin. Nice and smooth. Really like the dial, how it feels. A little bit less smooth than the SRPB53. I think it's just the luck of the draw on that, but still, nevertheless, a good dial, good bezel, and it looks to line up pretty nice. But we will have a full review of this one. Let's just take a look real quick at before we go. Let's take a quick look at what else comes in this box, because this is just an unboxing, so not much in here. I think we just have a warranty card there. I bought this at an online retailer through eBay because they don't really sell these too much. And by the way, this is the SRPB53, just in case you're wondering. But you can see here it has the rubber, very soft rubber silicone strap with it has that crinkle pattern on the back, and you have the corrugated strap at the top here. Nice big buckle. We're going to go all over all of this in deeper depth on the full review, but just a quick little unboxing and look. So definitely check out the Great Gambino watch reviews and stay tuned for a full review on this piece. Hope to see you soon.